Fuck, dude. Dude, fuck. I think this whole shit is cracked, bro. Like, if you look from the right angle, that shit definitely looks like that whole shit right there is cracked. Took the header off. Really didn't get a chance to do any footage. I was working overnight. Definitely, in the midst of the cold, was just working to get the joint done. But let me put some light on so you could actually see where it's cracked. So, crack right here. Y'all can see that. And crack right here. Y'all can see that. So, that's what we gotta fix. Alright, you know, stay loyal to my shit. Just got it welded. Shit hot as shit. Looking alright. Looking quite alright, man. Bring out my gloves so I can touch this hot shit. Let's go. Let's get it. That's the shit I'm talking about, baby. That good craftsmanship, man. You already know. Got this shit welded up real nice. Real nice, like. So now, yeah, we looking good. You even got all the way in there, homie. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Now just to get home and wrap this shit, dog. Perfect TIG weld shit on it. Covered everything, everything. Perfect weld, bro. Real satisfied with it. Hopefully it'll hold up. We get that titanium header wrap on here. Call this shit a wrap, team. You already know. Let's go. Super stoked. Just finished wrapping it. Again, you already know. Got that titanium header wrap. Does me justice when you got enough fucking metal zip ties. That definitely holds it down. That'll do it. So I got it covered for the most part. I'm trying to keep the O2 sensor bung open, but we back in business. My man did a hell of a job. Welds is good. Make sure I wrap the hell out of those. Those is good so it could soak up that heat. That's probably exactly what it was. Ain't have anything to hold it down, but we looking good. See, I got it kind of capped off. We straight. We straight. So, boom. Give y'all the underside too. We looking good. We looking good. Job well done, man. Did it the first time. Wasn't 100% sure on what I was doing. Doing it the second time. Let me cut this. Make that look nice and neat. But did this the second time around. And looking good. Looking hella good. Let's do it. All right, team, let's hit it on the head on where we stand right now. As of right now, I just cleaned the crankshaft position sensor. Shit was filthy. I cleaned my cams. Can clean both of those. I know I had a quick coolant leak, right? What was it? One of these hoses, I think. This one or this one. One of those hoses. Those shits was leaking, so tighten that up, got to the bottom of that, and that should be the whole kit and caboodle, team. Hopefully that'll help the car out. I just swapped my rear cam. Took this one here, put that one here, took this one here, and now that's one that's up front. So this will be the one that we'll be using. Let's see how it goes. Let's put it back together and see how it runs. See what we get, team. Just did all the cleaning. Let's see what we got. That is the crankshaft position sensor now. So is this shit officially done? Because I just cleaned it. No. Got nothing there. Okay, so it's looking like that may be the crankshaft position sensor. Let's see what we get though. And as it's looking, I might need those tires sooner than expected. Like, what the fuck? These my rear tires. I took them off. Shits is bizzled on the inside. I might see if I could spin them and get this on the inside. And that should hold me for the drive home back to NYC. Get that on the inside, because this shit is done here, bro. So I don't even want to ride on this shit. But this shit won't even touch the ground. It'll be more finishing off this shit till I get home, so. It's always something. Always something. Time for some new tires. All right, team. We officially locked in. So I got the EGR valve in, right? Fresh joint. Just actually got it from O'Reilly, bro. How I try to order this shit. Rock Auto say it can't get it to me until Monday. Advance and AutoZone is not gonna have it until Sunday. It's Friday, bro. I gotta ride. So with that being said, everything is looking copacetic. EGR valve right here, plug, connected, we all right. Let's go. I'm letting y'all know right now, and the connector right here, you cannot remove the EGR valve completely. You have to have that on your install and just zip tie it to something, but you can't remove it. Once you remove the EGR valve as a whole, you are going to get the code P0403. That's gonna be for your EGR. That is going to throw your car continuously into limp mode. So the last thing we wanna do is not be able to get all the power out of this motherfucking engine. With that being said, team, you gotta have the EGR in here. If you don't have the EGR in on your swap, again, I know we're not going to have that piping, nor are you going to have the temperature reader here. But now that I have this plugged in, I'm gonna see if I need to put the 10K ohm resistor in here to trick this to see if it'll read normally and I don't get any code off of that. But as of right now, team, that's what it is. Gotta have the EGR valve in there, man. That's one of the must-haves when you do your swap, or your car is immediately gonna go into limp mode. So I wanna bring that to y'all attention. I would ask y'all, I would tell y'all, ask me, how do I know? Baby. Woo! Yeah! 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 Everything is sounding smooth. It's sounding all right for right now. It's running real good. Yeah, baby. That's what we needed, a new crankshaft position sensor. Hitachi, my nigga, let's go. Hitachi, I was going for the dealer. My man gonna tell me like $208. What are you talking about, daddy? What year are you talking? Real rap. So we good right now, though. Engine is sounding decent. I'm getting all the air out the system right now. Debating on what I want to do with these tires, but I'm ready to put this bitch down and take it for a spin. I ain't drive my shit in 2-3 days, bro. You know, I'm ready. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Finish this shit off. It's sounding good. Yeah, that's deep. That's deep. Feel like a parent right now. You know what I'm saying? When the kids be outside and they got that cougar dust in their eye. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, it still got the shine. I need to go get this shit so I can clean these shits to perfection. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Car sounding amazing. No misfires. It sounds like it's running smooth, idling perfectly. I don't hear any rough idles, any stumbling, anything like that. We sound good. Let's see. Let's give it a rev right quick. Let's see. Let's give it a rev. That look decent. No check engine. Let's see what we get. As soon as we tap this shit, yeah, we good. All right, let's put it down. We gotta take this shit for a spin.